Hello, welcome to Story Chronicles. We're continuing our Linux tutorial lessons. So today we will explore basename command. The basename utility is used to extract the final component of the path name, effectively stripping directory paths and optionally removing a specified suffix. It is part of GNU core utils and is widely used in shell scripting automation. There are two supported forms, so basename, name, and suffix, and basename, option, and name. So name, you should specify full path or file, suffix, optional trailing string to remove, and option, command flags. So the basic usage of basename: extract file name from full path, basename, etc. password. The command removes all leading directory components. The next usage: handling trailing slashes. So basename, usr, local, and basename, usr, local. Enter. So trailing characters, this one, are automatically ignored. By default, basename processes one name. To handle multiple files, use flag -a or multiple. Let's bring example: basename -a etc password and etc shadow. Enter. And you see output password and shadow. Using basename, you can remove file extension. For example, basename etc sysctl conf.conf. Enter. We see output sysctl. Also, we can use second method with the same output: basename -s dot conf etc sysctl dot conf. Enter. And we see the same output. Let's clear our screen. You can remove suffix from multiple files. For example, basename -a -s dot conf etc sysctl dot conf and etc sudo dot conf. Enter. sysctl and sudo in the output. By default, output lines end with new line. So to end lines with a null character, you can use basename -z etc password. And we see output. Let's clear -z so you can see difference. This is particularly useful in scripting and working with xargs -0, xargs -0, or handling file names containing special characters. So, practical use cases of basename: shell scripting, loop processing in batch, stripping file extension, automation and log parsing, DevOps pipeline, dynamic artifact naming. So, that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. Thank you.